Hey there, Steve Pedersen here from Rockstar Website Design with a very brief tutorial on how to update WordPress as well as your themes and your plugins. Once you've logged into your admin dashboard, you would come over to the menu where it says Dashboard. If it's not already opened up, you just want to click on it to open it up. And right underneath Home, it'll say Updates. And as you can see by this red ball that looks like kind of a magic 8 ball but colored red, is telling you how many updates you have. So you would just simply click on Updates, and you're going to be taken to a page where there are 3 categories of updates. The first category is WordPress itself. And as you can see, I have the latest version of WordPress installed, so I don't have to worry about updating that or manually updating that. And in fact, it says in my case, future security updates will be applied automatically. If there was a newer version of WordPress, you would see a button here in this area that says Update Now, and you would just click that button, let it run its course and take care of itself, and bada bing, bada boom, bada bop, you've finished updating WordPress. The second category is your plugins, and as you can see, I've got 8 plugins here that need to be updated. The third category is your themes. If there are any themes that need to be updated, those will show up much like the plugins show up here. They'll show up in a list down here, and if there's more than one, as is the case with plugins, you can just simply select the Select All checkbox, and it will select all of your plugins or themes, and then you just click the button Update Plugins, and it will run through the plugin update process. Same thing will happen with the themes. One by one, they will all update for you, and then once all of the updates have finished, you'll notice a message down at the bottom of the page that says, gives the option to return to the plugins page or return to your WordPress updates page, or if you're all done with your updates, you can simply go on with your life and do whatever else you need to do. So there's your brief tutorial on how to update WordPress, your plugins, and your themes in the WordPress dashboard. Hope that helps. And if you haven't already, be sure to head over to my website at rockstarwebsitedesign.com and grab the free guide that I created for you. It's called 7 Secrets to a Website That Rocks. I'm sure you'll find it very useful. Thanks for stopping by, and take care.